welcome back to my YouTube channel, Katara Clean. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I remembered all three this time. Lord Jesus. Like, subscribe, and comment if you like my content. You can also book your own cleaning appointment by going to www.kataracleans.com, where you can book appointments and also purchase products. So, this video is going to be tips on how to keep your house smelling good. Tip number one, voila, my own personal air fresheners, Breathe Easy, which are on my website, you can purchase. And tip number two, remember to clean your carpet regularly. Your carpet, I gotta play that word slow. Remember to clean your carpet regularly. Your carpet retains smell, so if it's left unattended, if you don't clean it, it will start to stink and your house will stink. So remember to clean your carpet regularly. Clean your trash cans. Obviously, that's where trash goes. So if you put in trash in there every day, it's going to develop a smell. Make sure you clean it on a regular basis. It does not have to be every day, maybe once a week, but you do need to be cleaning your trash can. Make sure you clean out your refrigerators, because you put old food in there, you forget that it's there, the food starts to spoil, and your whole house will stink. Tip, I don't even know what tip it is. We just gonna go like that. Make sure to change your sheets on a regular basis. One is nasty because you're sleeping on the same sheets you shed every day, so you need to wash those sheets. Wipe your countertops. Your countertop. Can you edit like pieces and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you wipe your countertops. You never want to let stains sit, because they become setting and it's hard to get them out. Always mop your floor. That is the key thing. Your floors in your restroom are the dirtiest thing in your house. One, because your restroom is where you leave your bodily fluids. Two, is because the floor is where everybody walks. You have no choice but to step on the floor. So make sure you clean it on a regular basis. Clean your couch. And last but not least, if you have pets, make sure you are keeping their hygiene up to par as well. Oh, make sure you like my channel, subscribe, and comment to Katara Cleans, and also go to our website, www.kataracleans.com. Thank you.